So traditionally, pharmaceutical companies will either outsource high-potent products, so 40% of all outsourced products are classified as high-potency, or create dedicated facilities. So what do dedicated facilities actually do for high-potent products? Well, that reduces the risk of cross-contamination because dedicated facilities would be specific for the high-potent products, but it does decrease the flexibility of the processing space because the only thing that you can do in there is manufacture those highly potent products or that single product that you are looking for. So Merck has come up with a unique solution to this problem that we are building the Flex Center in Rahway, New Jersey, which stands for Formulation, Laboratory, and Experimentation Center. So the Flex Center's vision is actually to transform the way we develop drug products. We want to create a flexible space that is compliant and can shift rapidly to changes in the pipeline and have different technologies that can provide line of sight to our commercial facilities. We want to have cross-functional modalities, both oral and sterile, and co-locate scientists across disciplines, both human and animal health, and remain at the forefront of quality, regulatory, and safety compliance. So how are we going to achieve that? So we are going to apply modular clean rooms. So by modular spaces, we mean spaces that can be reconfigured by movable walls, ceilings based on process needs. These walls can be fitted with glass for maximum light and viewing of the manufacturing space. The space can be expanded into fallow space with the addition of more walls, or contracted based on the needs of the facility at the time. We also are going to take advantage of pods, pods being portable processing spaces, which effectively increases the footprint of the facility without necessarily changing the facility size. So a whole processing train potentially could be run within a pod and then stored away within the pod for future needs. So equipment, on critical path for a potential product could be, brought from within a pod to the space and rapidly brought into the facility and then used very quickly. This could also potentially be transported to another site, which allows for future manufacturing opportunities.